Hey everybody, it's Carol. How are you? I'm so glad you're here. Today I have a very special video. I want to show you this face tool that this company sent me several months ago, and I have been using it. I have been using it along my jawline as directed. So here we go. It's called the Mimi Silk Iris Laser. And it comes in this little bag, a little pouch with the charging cord. And there it is. It is the Mimi Silk Iris 1450 NM Advanced At-Home Fractional Laser Device for anti-aging. Now, the total treatment time for the entire face ranges from approximately 5 to 10 minutes. That is the recommended usage, and the frequency is 3 to 4 times per week on alternate days. After 8 weeks of use, it's advisable to discontinue application for 4 weeks before resuming the cycle. Now, the categories are forehead, periorbital, cheek, upper lip, and chin. So when I go along the jaw, I do the chin. I go back and forth, with no creams, nothing. Just wash your face and start the process. And you could put it 3 strengths on the bottom. You just press the bottom light, and then you get 3 levels. It's 200 times more powerful than traditional LED because the LED light does not penetrate deeply enough to stimulate collagen production in the dermis, and typically only affects the dermis and shallow dermis. While LED can improve circulation and stimulate cellular activity, its collagen stimulating effects are inconsistent and superficial, offering less lasting improvement compared to the deep, science-backed results achieved with the Iris 1450 NM. Now, the advantage of the fractional technology. The non-ablative fractional laser, we employ a nanoscale fractional laser technology that is the same as that's used in professional medical aesthetic devices. That's pretty amazing. Now I'm doing it on my arms and my hand. Now, collagen production. See how easy on my hands, on my fingers? It stimulates natural collagen production for younger looking skin in 60 days. And see, I'm putting it to the highest setting. I can take it. I can take the highest setting. Of course, you start off with the lowest. And those are the 3 things that come with it. And when you're done, you just slip it right back into the bag and close it up. It's a very, very nice device. It's sturdy. It's very sleek. I really like it. And you could feel it working. You could just feel it. It kind of zaps you. It gives you like a zap, zap, zap along your skin. Those are the 3 settings. And then the top is forehead, periorbital, cheek, upper lip, and then chin. Now sometimes I hold one end of my jaw to tighten the skin, and then I press it along. That's the forehead. We just go right across the top. It's very smooth. You don't need any electro cream. You don't need any moisturizer. Nothing. Just wash your face and start the process. So here's the peri-orbital. And now we'll do the cheek. I really enjoy using this. I feel that it is working. And it's so easy. And there you see a little blue reflection. And that's where all the power is. And as you see my face getting rosy, that's because it's being zapped. I do my smile lines. Oh, and you can feel the zapping. You see my face is getting red. And it takes a lot for my skin to get any color. Next is the upper lip. I just go up and down, zap, zap, zap. And then the chin, which I do along the jawline. Zapping the jowls. I work very hard on my jowls and my skin all over. It's the only way it's going to help with wrinkles and collagen. If you keep stimulating, you must keep stimulating the skin. So you wash your face and dry it and do not put anything on. That is such an easy part of this. You could just grab it after you wash your face and start the treatment. It's not waterproof. Do not use it while charging. After 8 weeks, discontinue use for 4 weeks after resuming this cycle. It is recommended to use the device in the evening. So you deeply clean the face before using the device. Press the button, select the appropriate gear and the appropriate level, and then continue. It's so easy. It's absolutely so easy. Look at this. Just across the forehead, down the sides. I love to do it on the jowls. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to wash my face and do a round of treatment. I love it. Thank you, Mimi Silk. Thank you for thinking of me and sending this to me. I really appreciate it. Oh, it's like, it's zapping my chest. I think this tool is really, really good, and I think it's really working.